Now I am going to do the problem related to income and expenditure and balance sheet. So now we will do eighth problem. So first we have to look Irfan, turn on your video. Payment side salary, electric charges, billiard table, office expenses, printing and stationery, tournament expenses, tournament expenses, repairs of ground, furniture purchased, sports equipment, cash in hand, cash at bank, then a fixed deposit, percentage also there. So one adjustment is there, percentage. Then the receipt side, subscriptions, life membership fees, entrance fees, tournament fund, locker rent, locker rent, sale of old sports equipment costing 2,200 for rupees 2,500. Here one thing you have to remember, post 2,200 sold for rupees 2,500, that it is a profit on sale of asset, profit on sale of asset. Okay, not loss. It will come the same side. Then the sale of old newspaper, legacy. Okay,
So
these are
where
the
is this question?
eighth, eighth one. Okay, question number 8. Next, other information, subscription outstanding, uh, closing, it is a opening 1,200, closing 3,200. Next one, locker rent outstanding, closing it is given 250. Then salary outstanding, closing it is given 1,000. Okay, subscription, closing and opening it is given. Uh, we know that closing add, opening less. Then outstanding salary, closing it is given. Then locker rent outstanding, closing it is given. Everything add only. Next, on 1st January 2017, opening item it is given, building, furniture, sports equipment. Then depreciation they given on this item. That opening item, everything, depreciation is there. Depreciation. Depreciation on building, furniture, sports equipment, 10 percentage. Okay. Basil, turn on your video. Okay. So depreciation charge on these items at a 10 percentage, including purchase. So same like last, including purchase. Including purchase, how to calculate depreciation? Opening amount plus payment. If any sale is there, that you have to minus that into percentage. Into percentage. Okay. So we will start. So Sharath, we are doing eighth. Question number 8. Okay. Okay, first item, salary. So whenever you are writing the item, you have to look any adjustment. Salary. Femina, any adjustment? Salary.
Yes, sir.
Yes, add or less. Outstanding salary at the end.
Sir, and
Yes, add outstanding salary at the end. 12,000. Next, electric charges. No adjustment. Two electric charges. Next, billiard table. Aparna, what is expenditure or asset? Billiard table.
Sir, asset.
Asset. Yes, asset. Next, office expenses. No adjustment. Sorry, 4,100. Next, printing and stationery. No adjustment. Printing and stationery, 2,300. Next, tournament expenses. So, tournament expenses. Then you have to look in the receipt side any tournament fund. Any tournament fund. Yes. So here fund or expense is more. Tournament fund or tournament expense is more. Tournament fund. Tournament fund. So if tournament expense is more means it will come expenditure side, the difference amount. Sorry, if tournament expense is more than the tournament fund, then it will come expenditure side. Otherwise, fund where only it will come balance sheet liability. Clear? If tournament expense, if it is 30,000, then that 4,000 will come expenditure side. Clear? So it will not come here. Next, repairs, no adjustment. Next, furniture, Tomlin furniture, expenditure or such.
Asset.
Asset. Next, sports equipment. Sports equipment. Shubham Pal. Sports equipment, expenditure or asset? Sports equipment.
Asset.
Asset. Next, cash in hand, cash in bank. Last only there are fixed deposit. Fixed deposit asset we know, but percentage, interest on fixed deposit. Interest on fixed deposit. So how to calculate? So 30,000 into 30,000 into 10 percentage into when we deposited 110 to closing date, how many months? 10, 11, 12 into 3 by 12. 750. Then you have to look in the receipt side any interest on fixed deposit. Aparna, any interest on fixed deposit?
No, sir.
No. So full it is accrued. So accrued accrued interest on fixed deposit 750. Clear? So how to calculate? Already I said a percentage. Other side. So 30,000 into 10% into 3 by 12. Deposit date to closing date. Now you have to look receipt side. First cash and second one subscription. So by subscription received, then adjustment it is given outstanding subscription at the end and outstanding subscription in the beginning. Last year means beginning, this year means end. So by subscription received 52,000, add so everyone turn on your video. Okay, by subscription received 52,000. Now add outstanding subscription at the end. Outstanding subscription at the end. So 3,200. So 55,200. Next, Irfan, outstanding subscription in the beginning, add or less? Outstanding subscription in the beginning.
Less.
Less. So less outstanding subscription in the beginning. So it is given outstanding subscription 1,200. So we'll get 54,000. Okay, next item. Josephine, next item. After subscription, receipt and payment account. Next item.
Entrance fee.
Yes, entrance fee. Because life membership fee will come liability side. So next item, entrance fee. By entrance fee. By entrance fee 3,200. So next item. Femina, next item.
Sir, locker rent.
Locker rent. Yes. Any adjustment related to locker rent? Locker rent outstanding, any adjustment?
Yes, sir.
So add or less? Outstanding locker rent at the end.
Add.
Okay. So by locker rent 1,250, add outstanding locker rent at the end of the period. 250 is given 250, so 1,500. Next, Hanna, next item.
Sale of sports equipment.
Yes, profit on sale of sports equipment. Profit on sale of sports equipment. Profit on sale of sports equipment. So amount 300. Amount 300. Next item, Aparna, next item.
Sir, sale of old newspaper.
Yes, by sale of old newspaper. Next, legacy, Karthik, where it will come? Legacy.
The liability.
Okay. So now any other item? So receipt and payment account is over. Now you have to look adjustment. Any other item? Anat? Subscriptions. Any item? Adjustments. Aditya Pavitra, basic channel on your video. Anat, any item?
No, sir.
No other adjustments. Any other? Tomlin, any other adjustments?
Depreciation.
Yes, depreciation. Okay, it is given depreciation on all the above items, building, furniture, sports equipment, including purchase. Right? To depreciation on first item, building. Depreciation on building. Depreciation on building. So first we have to look the opening amount. So 36,000 into 10%. So 3,600. Next one, to depreciation on furniture. Depreciation on furniture. So you have to look the opening amount 12,000. Now you have to look in the Payment side, any furniture, 7,700. Okay. Now you have to look in the receipt side, any sale of furniture, any sale. Any sale, Atul, any sale of furniture? Receipt side.
No.
Okay, so 19,700. Okay, 19,700 into 10%. 1,900. Next one, 2. Depreciation on sports equipment. Sports equipment. Depreciation on sports equipment. So how to calculate depreciation on sports equipment? Aparna, first,
So the opening amount is 17,500
yes.
plus that profit on sale of sports equipment.
Any purchase sports equipment?
Yes, sir.
So
12,000.
12,000.
Then we have to less
Less
profit on sports equipment.
Sale of sports equipment. Amount sale book value.
So 300.
That we wrote now, profit on sale of asset. That is profit on sale of asset. Less sale book value.
So 2,200.
Yes, 2,200. Okay, so we'll get 27,300 into 10%. Okay, so opening balance plus purchase. So we'll get from payment side, purchase. Then you have to minus sale. Sale means book value. That into percentage. So that way only we are calculating depreciation. It is given the information that depreciation is calculated including purchase. Otherwise, we have to calculate the depreciation on the base of opening amount. Okay. So any other item? So now you have to balance. You have to check whether debit or credit is more. Tell me the total. Credit side is more. Everyone turn on your video. Irfan, Atul, Basil. Total. Credit side total. Karthik.
Sir. 60,500.
Yes, 60,500. To surplus excess of income or expenditure. Answer, surplus.
$26,300.
Yes, 26,300. Okay. So income and expenditure account is over. Now we will prepare opening balance sheet. Okay, opening balance sheet. Opening balance sheet. So balance sheet, it is the closing date is 31st December 2017. So opening date will be 1st January 2017. Balance sheet as on 1st January 2017. Balance sheet as on 1st January 2017. So first item, Sharath, first item in the opening balance sheet. So while preparing opening also closing also first item.
Balance BD.
Very good. Sharath Anil, cash in hand. Cash in hand 7,890 opening balance. Okay, otherwise you'll forget. Now you have to look in the receipts and payment account any opening item or last year item. Anjo, any item? Receipt and payment account, I am asking. No. Now, adjustment you have to look. Here we can see lot of outstanding subscription. Outstanding subscription last year. Outstanding subscription last year 1,200. 1,200. Now you have to look local rent that is this year. Salary outstanding this year on 1st January 2017. On 1st January 2017 that it is given. So same amount. Building 36,000. Same amount. Furniture 12,000. Then sports equipment. Sports equipment 17,500 over. So balance amount will be capital fund. So opening capital fund.
74,590.
Yes, 74,590. Next, closing balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st December 2017. Balance sheet as on 31st December 2017. So you have to look at the opening balance sheet. On that basis, we can write. First item, cash in hand. You have to look at that payment side last. Cash in hand also given, cash at bank also given. That you have to write. Same amount, 12,690, then 10,000. Now you have to look at the second item, outstanding subscription. Closing, outstanding subscription. Closing amount, 3,200. Now, next item, building. Building, 36,000. Any adjustment, any purchase, not there, but the depreciation is there. Next, furniture. Furniture also, purchase also there. Furniture, 12,000. And payment side, if everything is there, that is purchase. Less depreciation, like a final account. Next one. Next, you have to look at next item. Sports equipment. Sports equipment. Sports equipment, opening amount 17,500. Add purchase, not there, no? Purchase. Add purchase 12,000. Less sale, book value. $2,200. So 27. Less depreciation. This depreciation 2,730. Okay, sports equipment, add purchase, less sale, book value, less depreciation. Now you have to look any other item, furniture, opening item, sports equipment over. Now capital fund. Capital fund. Capital fund. We already calculated 74,590. Then add surplus. Add surplus. So already we calculated 26,300. Now, you have to look at payment side, any other item, extra, any other item. Billiard table, asset, billiard table, asset. Billiard table, 17,500. Now, tournament expense is there. Their tournament fund is there. That is liability, tournament fund, 26,000 less tournament expenses. Tournament expenses, 18,500. Next one, furniture we wrote, sports equipment we wrote, cash in hand, cash in bank, fixed deposit, asset, fixed deposit. So whenever we write fixed deposit, you have to look any adjustment there, any accrued percentage it is given now. Yes, it is there. Accrued interest on fixed deposit. Already we wrote in the income and expenditure. Income side, 750. Now you have to look at the receipt side. Any item, Aparna?
Yes, sir. Life membership fee.
Life membership fee. Next, Femina.
Sir, legacy.
Legacy. Now you have to look adjustment if any item left. Subscription we wrote. Subscription we wrote. Then locker rent outstanding. Outstanding locker rent. Asset or liability. Karthik.
Sir, I not hear the question.
Outstanding locker rent. Now you have to look adjustment. Outstanding subscription we wrote. Outstanding locker rent. End. Asset or liability.
Asset.
Yes, that is income. So outstanding locker rent. Next one, outstanding salary. Sharath, asset or liability, outstanding salary, end.
Liability.
Correct. Outstanding salary. Outstanding salary, liability. Next one, already we wrote building, furniture, sports equipment, depreciation, everything we wrote. Over. Any item left? End of the income and expenditure account and 10%. Okay, so first you have to look at opening balance sheet, then receipt and payment account, then adjustment. Answer?
1,49,090.
Yes. Okay, next question you have to look. So it is different. That same only receipt and payment account it is given. Then additional information, opening and the closing it is given. Opening and the closing it is given. Okay. So same question came in the board exam also. Okay, so that will do the next class.